long screens. Looks very Akihabara-like, doesn't it? Alright. I'm just gonna walk through the back streets for today. I feel like front streets because there's so many people today. Holy moly. So many today. Oh, people even go buy electronic pieces. Yo, I especially like the doll shaking cats. I mean, those cats. They shake. Man, that's one busy. Come and buy nerdy stuff. Nerdy stuff. Ooh, even the alleyways are busy. A lot of people. Dang, that's a big ass doll. Look at that doll. Whoa, there's a car behind me here. That's a big doll. Guy's standing up like he's cool or something. He's too old. Definitely a lot of people there. Definitely a lot of people there. A lot of traffic. That's what happens, I guess, when people stop working and have some holiday time. Whoa. On that side. Film Warhammer shop is there. Well, I'm going to go back to the main street. A lot of people. Look at that. The cops are trying to control the crowd. But why don't they just like open the roads today? You know? They could just open the roads. Woo. Very busy New Year's. Oh my god. You can't cross out. I do. I'm just walking a giant circle. Because that's what it is. I'm walking a giant circle. There are not Oh, it's Christmas. Well, thank you, man. Georgia was alright, good. I wish there was more Japanese food to post about. We had more like Western food. So more like, you know, think of KFC dinner, but not KFC, which is alright. But how about yours? How was your Christmas, George? And people in the chat, let me know. Leave a comment because I'm very curious. Lots of visitors. Lots of tourists. Look at that, so many tourists, dude. And then like turn to the Silk Hat Tokyo, made owned by Gigo apparently. That's what this new game show looks like. And then I'm gonna wait for crossing. Hopefully the crossing happens quickly. Let's just look at the people just you know, collecting here. Ooh. The taxis are very helpful. But yeah, people behind. There's like tons of people behind. It feels like New York. It was good, small gathering. That's good to hear, George. Look at that from the other side. Feels like, oh, there's a lot of people. Oh man. Oh man. I think it looks like this, guys. It's like a wild ride. Whoa. I'm gonna go this way now. Oh, there's a lot of like 3D video now. Look at that. That's 3D. So not really.